Hello everyone and welcome back. And today we are diving into one of the fundamental aspects of Photoshop, navigation. Whether you are a third-gen pro or just standing out, understanding how to navigate efficiently in Photoshop can significantly enhance your workflow. So let's dive right in. So before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a quick tour of Photoshop interface and familiarization yourself with the workspace will make the navigation bridge. So here we have our tool, the left here, and also the menus at the top there. You can, on the right is there, various panel around the screen you can see here and also get comfortable with this as there will be your navigation headquarters. The first thing you need to master is zooming in and out. You can do this by using the zoom tool or by holding the control, or you can use it and scrolling. It can help you to zooming, like you can see. Here's the control and alter, and it can help with the zooming, or you can use here the symbol as the zoom and it can zoom, and this one. If you want to zoom out, just click here. It can help you to zoom out. So this will help you to get up close and personal with your work, or zoom out for the broadest view. So like if I want to show this one, and it can help you with the zoom in. Next up is the hand tools. So your trusty sidekicks for paintings around the canvas, hold down with the space bar to temporarily activate. Now you can see come up like this, and also the essential work on details project where pre-selections is key. So now I will just use this one, and the navigator panel is another handy tool. You can find it under the windows, and in the windows you can find there's the navigator. So by clicking over here, you can now see it can help you with the navigate this way. Now it will let you to zooming in and zooming out. There is, you can change also here. It can also help you. So it's a miniaturized view of your entire canvas that allows you to navigate quickly by clicking and dragging with your panel itself there. Working with the multiple documents, so use the tabbed documents switch, and you can use it like before that. I will use the document and use it. So here we have now this one. You can easily use the tab switch into here with a different one, and also experiment with the full screen mode by pressing the F. So to maximize your workspace, and it's a great way to focus on the thumbs and the hand. So I will just use a normal view, or I can just standard view. Now precise master is a design and utilize the rulers, guides, and greens by pressing the Control plus R. If I say this will be the Control plus I, and before I will just go here, zoom in, and you can see the Control plus R, and let me show up in here. Gives me the rulers and in there, and also if I want to use the guide for, you can also use the control, or wait for you can use the command. So boost your efficiency with the navigation shortcuts. Learn the key combinations like the space bar plus control, or space bar plus command. For the back zooming in tools, like you can use here, I can just use, like if I say this will be the space bar plus, and I can just say the space in this way, or you can use the ultra plus space bar, or options plus space bar for the zooming out. So let me use it. And if I'm gonna use this one here, it will be me, or I can just use the different one with the space bar for the controls. Like I could use it here for the zooming in. And so there you have it. Mastery for issues. Navigation is like having a secret map on unlocked the full potential of your creativity. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.